Hi everyone, you are watching 5 Faves with me, Reina, your head of member e-commerce here at FabFitFun. Today I'm going to show you 5 of my absolute favorite fashion finds that will be shoppable in our summer edit sale. Our edit sales happen 4 times a year. Summer just happens to be my most favorite season. The edit sales are a lot like a treasure hunt. There's so much to look through and so much to find. And so my goal today is to help point out some of the key star items in the sale just to make your shopping experience a little easier. Before I get into my 5 fashion faves in the summer edit sale, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment below. The edit sale is for members only, so if you're not a member, click the link above and make sure you sign up right now. The first product I'm gonna start with are these incredible earrings. These are the Deepa Gurnani Karlee earrings. They look great on absolutely everyone. Fun fact, we brought these into the sale because Katie wore them in I think it was a founder chat. So many of you girls wrote in and we thought, of course we should do these earrings. Our members are right. Katie looked gorgeous. You will look gorgeous. We bought them in 2 colors, in the turquoise and in the red. I personally think that everyone should own both of them. They are quite possibly the most incredible summer essential. The part that I really love about the coral pair as well is that I think that you can wear these all the way into winter. They would actually look great whether you're on the beach or at a holiday party. So if you have to choose one, maybe get the red, but if you were me, you would get both. Okay, next product is the lack of color visor. Now again, I'm not a cool kid. I wasn't 100% sure about whether or not I should push the envelope and go ahead and book into this, but I have to tell you guys, when I put this on, I feel so super chic. Like, I cannot wait to wear this wherever I'm going, Miami, New York, LA. Like, I know that when I wear this, people are going to stop me and ask me, where did you get that visor? The other really cool thing about it is that it does have this really incredible gold hardware, and I'm just into little details like that that just complete the look and elevate the visor. This doesn't look like a cheapy visor. This looks super chic, very expensive. It also goes with my earrings. The next product I'm so excited to talk to you about is the Jetset Diaries Kaftan. And we did this in 2 colors. We did this in a nude and we did this in the black. And you're gonna see a theme with what we booked into in the edit sale. Listen, for me, I'm a woman that wears bright colors and I wear lots of prints. It's just the nature of my heritage being Indian. And so we decided we wanted to give you guys some awesome neutrals to go ahead and make accessorizing in the summer very, very easy. It goes with everything else that we've already talked about. The visors, the earrings. We're creating a whole summer look. You're gonna get your earrings, you're gonna get your visor, you're gonna get your Kaftan, we're gonna ship it out to you, you're gonna be fabulous. You don't have to worry about anything. So the next item on the table is the Olive and Pique Silky Satin Scarf. Secretly, I believe that we all want to be a cowgirl. Like, who doesn't want to be in a Wild Wild West movie with John Wayne? Well, like, this is what that elevated cowgirl is gonna wear. So you can wear this a bunch of different ways, right? For me, I could go ahead and tie it around my neck similar to a bib with maybe just a t-shirt. I also think that it's really easy to do what the women in 5th Avenue, when I lived in New York, I used to admire the women that just used to tie casually a silk scarf around their bags. It doesn't get any chicer than that, let me tell you. Or you can go ahead and just fold it up and tighten your hair. One really cute look that I've seen a lot of girls in the FabFitFun office do is they put their hair into a high pony and then they just do-do-do. And I was just in Paris at this fabulous hotel and they did the same thing. So you just big ponytail and then you just make it like really floppy. And again, we did it in a very cool neutral, so you can go ahead and it's gonna match with most colors that you are choosing to wear. The last item that we're going to go ahead and talk about is the Glass Ladder & Co. Marilyn clutch. Look at this. Do-do-do-do. Listen, I'm a girl that likes wallets, I like portfolios. This is basically what this is. Not only is it the ultimate hold your expense receipt, hold your mini iPad, plug in some pens, put your credit card in there. It's like everything is in one place. I think it's a little too small for your resume, but guess what, girls? We're doing this in 2 sizes. So we've got it in the pink and in the emerald green. I personally think that everyone should have both. Very similar to the earrings, you should get both because who doesn't need portfolios in 2 different sizes? maybe this is your wallet, maybe this is where you keep your resumes. It's just so chic. What's really cool about this is that it is faux leather, so you can just go ahead and wipe it down. It's not gonna get dirty. You can also accessorize it with your silk scarf. Could you be any more chic than your silk scarf with your pink portfolio and your pink visor at the pool? Yeah, girl. And your cover up, I can't. I hope you loved learning about my 5 fashion faves. And just so you guys know, the sale opens up to select members on July 1st, and then Happy Independence Day, it opens up to all members on July 4th. Things sell out so fast, so if you are nervous about not getting one of these amazing items, be sure to upgrade as soon as possible so you can get that access on July 1st. And in addition to that, I want to hear from you, so please be sure to subscribe to our channel, comment below, and obviously like this video because I want to hear about everything that you guys have to say to me about these products. What do you want to see? What other colors? Did you like them? Did you not like them? Talk to me. I want to talk to you. I am so excited for all that is in store for you girls. Happy shopping.